guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Carla and welcome to today's video. I know I haven't vlogged in a really long time. Well, I haven't uploaded any new videos for like 2 or 3 weeks and I apologize for that. I just haven't had the inspiration to film any fashion related videos recently, but we'll get there again. But today I decided to vlog because we are going out. We are gonna go wakeboarding somewhere around KL. It's like an hour drive from here, from where I am, and I thought I'll take you along with me. I've tried wakeboarding before. I think the first time I tried it was like 6 years ago or so. I can't really remember. And then I tried a second time and both times I wasn't successful. But you know, you never know. Third time may be the charm, so I guess I'll try it again today and see how it goes. And I want to take you along with me because it's gonna be an adventure. But I do apologize for how I look right now because I just came from spinning class and I am kind of tired, but you know, I have about 15 minutes to just chill out here and rest and regain my energy before we go take the road. It's an hour drive, like I said, so I can rest in the car, and then yeah, we'll see from there how it is. This is the gang. Say hi, guys. Hi. We have snacks and we have beer. I can see that. That's my phone. There you go. It's gonna be a boat party. Okay guys, so we just arrived at the resort. Apparently it's called Philea Mines Resort. And they're just changing inside. Look at the toilet sign, it's so cute. Okay, I'm gonna go change myself and then we are gonna go wakeboarding. We're a little bit late. We're supposed to start wakeboarding at 4, but it's now 4:02, but I guess it's okay. So yeah, this is a pretty big place. I didn't expect this. No, I thought it was like a small like facility, you know, but it's actually like a legit resort. Okay. It's not too bad, it's not too hot. Hello! Hello!
Yo!
Back!
Yo!
Back, yo!
Who's that guy? I thought it's all girls.
I did say we have guy, right?
Macau. Do we have anyone here from Macau? One. I think we have one person from Macau.
Ah! Woohoo! Exciting.
So,
We leave our shoe here, right?
that's the shoe that...
Leave your slippers here?
Yeah, eat first. Eat a bit more. They might eat first. No, not really. I just let you go in. I just let you go in. I'm not finished it. The other guys are out. I've been out. I came back. They're out. So he finishes at 5, our regulars. So you are, thankfully, we have new people. But we have regulars that come. You are 30, 40 then. So you 3 of you, and Pierre will be using this board. I have to pick it from the other board. Why you want to get up myself?
Can I?
Yeah. Get the weight on it.
The thing I can, the other one I can do better than the shoe. I think
Because we took the wrong, not the wrong, because the board was too small for you.
Twice, Susan, twice! You can try twice!
If you are feeling hot, just jump in and come back in. You can be wet in the boat, right? Because
okay. She just went in.
Nice and comfortable, right? Nice and cool. Well done. So now I give you the board.
So cool!
Two steps. First step, coming out of the water. Second step, once you come out of the water like that guy, he didn't come out, he fell. Right? You get out of the water. So coming out of the water. How do you come out of the water? What's the ready position? The ready position is your knees are all the way to your chest. Your arms are holding your knees together like this. Yeah, squatting like you're taking a shit. Okay, sorry. Squatting in the toilet in China, not Macau, China. Okay, squat. Stay squat. Good. I'm going to pull you. Okay? Very nice. You didn't pull too much. You're trying to pull a little bit. Don't try to pull. Beautiful. See? She feels like she's like 12 kg, right?
Oh yeah.
When the boat moves, and I'm going to let you go in the water now, okay? So, once you get up, if you fall, let go, and we'll repeat again. But you just squat, let the boat go slightly under, you will float like okay?
Like Japanese, kind of water.
Then loosen it, okay, loosen it. Clean.
He's
When
making
you
the
sit
wave
there,
dirty.
The clean wave was there and the dirty wave was here. So this girlfriend of yours sees the dirty wave and freaks out. Whereas you don't have to worry. Okay, again.
When it's too wavy.
Hello, this is called wakeboarding. And the idea is to cross the wake. So what wavy are you talking about, right?
It's your turn.
Oh my god.
It's your turn. Bole, bole. So long.
Was the picture okay? Yeah, there was
Yeah,
one or two because I was trying to make sure I turn and the sun shine on you because on the three or four of you because and then the blue sky was so blue, it was good. So 5 minutes. I mean not 5, but the moment you're in the water, you're up, yeah. Then you skip fall on your face and then try again.
Ooh, that was that. It was fun, it was fun. We're back home.
You going there?
Okay, here we go. So tired. We are back home and it was so much fun. I didn't really expect that. Honestly, I went in there not really expecting anything, but it was a pretty successful day, I would say. So yeah, I had so much fun. It's difficult, I'm gonna tell you that. It's not that easy. Well, it looks easy if you like watching other people do it, but it's tough. Like the hardest part for me was getting up from the starting position. You're like squatting and everything, and it's hard for me because I try to fight the pressure coming off from the boat when it's pulling you, but the trick is to not fight it, to just let go, let the boat pull you up instead of you know trying to fight and like lift yourself up. I don't know how to explain, but pretty much yeah, that was like the hardest part, I guess. But when I was already up, then everything's just so much easier, and yeah, it was so much fun, but it's also very tiring. So we did like a total of 2.5 hours, 2 hours supposedly, but we went over, what was that? We went over the limit, but it was okay. I think 30 minutes per person is already good enough if you're a beginner, because it gets really tiring. I don't know if I'm gonna try it again. I mean, maybe I'll consider doing so. It's just that it's a bit expensive, so I don't really know if I want to burn money. Just, you know, keep going and trying everything. It's not like it's something that I'm gonna continuously do, but it is fun, so you know, never know. So thank you guys for coming along with me today. Please excuse my appearance. Right now I am dead tired and I am expecting that this is gonna be worse. This is just the beginning. I think I'm gonna have a lot of muscle aches, so yeah. For now, I leave you here. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share. And if you do have any questions, if you're like looking into, I don't know, trying wakeboarding or something for yourself and you're curious, so just let me know in the comment section down below if you have any questions, and I'll try to answer as much as I can. I'm not an expert, but you know, if you're a beginner like me, then maybe I can share my experience in more detail, I guess. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.